How will Amitav Chatterjee's lead matter for J&K Bank? Watch here for a brief detail. Amitav Chatterjee has been given the approval of the Reserve Bank of India as the Managing Director as well as Chief Executive Officer of Jammu and Kashmir Bank for 3 years since December 30, 2024. His salary is going to increase to rupees 1.4 crore a year with up to 1 crore available as performance linked earning opportunities. In case Chatterjee does not assume office on the said date, J&K Bank has to take RBI permission for an interim placement along with a resolution on the board of directors. This arrangement would go into operation after business hours on December 29, 2024. A strategic move for J&K Bank. This important appointment will be a gateway for strategic innovation and operational efficiency into J&K Bank. With over many decades of experience in the field of banking and finance, Chatterjee's leadership is expected to buoy growth scenarios for the bank, extend financial inclusion, and address challenges posed by contemporary banking. Key questions: what will be the strategic reason by which Amitav Chatterjee will have J&K Bank? How will it shape the bank's performance in markets? What innovation can stakeholders expect under his tenure? Chatterjee's leadership may signify the start of a new chapter for J&K Bank as it sets the institution on a path to be geared with contemporary norms while fostering economic growth in the.
For more updates, subscribe to our YouTube channel TSW News. News that reveal the truth.